brushing and tend to do the few common mistakes. So I want to use this platform to showcase good habits to maintain good oral health. Take a pea-sized dab of toothpaste on your toothbrush. Place your toothbrush at a 45 degrees angle to the gums and gently move the brush back and forth in short strokes or in small circular motion. Brush the outer surfaces, the inner surfaces and the chewing surfaces of the teeth. That is, your brush should clean every surfaces of all the teeth. Make sure your toothbrush reach all the 4/3 molars, that is upper and lower wisdom teeth, which we usually tend to forget. To clean the inside surfaces of the front teeth, tilt the brush vertically like this and make several up and down strokes. Seven common mistakes to avoid while brushing your teeth. Number 1. Using a hard bristle toothbrush. Always go for soft or extra soft bristles. If bristles are too stiff, they can hurt your gums. Number 2. Brushing forcefully. Be gentle on your teeth. Brushing teeth with force is not the correct method of brushing your teeth. Number 3. Brushing teeth less or more than 2 minutes. The average person's brushing time is 2 minutes. Anything shorter than 2 minutes doesn't give the fluoride enough time to attach to the tooth surface. Number 4. Using horizontal or scrubbing motion. As I told earlier, use the gentle circular or short back and forth motion, but never use the scrubbing motion. All these 4 points, that is hard bristles, forceful brushing, brushing more than 2 minutes and scrubbing motion, leads to the resorption of the outer protective layer of the teeth called as enamel, which leads to the sensitive teeth. Number 5. Using your brush for way too long. The average life of a toothbrush is 3 to 4 months. Hence, it needs to be replaced at least after every 3 to 2 months. Number 6. Not brushing your tongue. Brushing your tongue after brushing your teeth is equally important. It will not only help to maintain the good oral health but also prevent the bad breath too. You can use any tongue cleaner or simply use your brush to clean your tongue. Number 7. Not brushing your teeth twice a day. And most importantly, visit your dentist every 6 months for routine oral checks. It's a pity that many of us are ignorant about oral health. Everyone complains dentist is costly. I beg to differ. Dentist is not costly, but the negligence is. So do subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any dental related queries, you can post in the comment section below. See you later in another video. Bye.